Ever wondered how to add that tiny degree symbol in Canva? Like when you're designing weather graphics, math posters, or temperature labels, but can't find it anywhere? Don't worry, because in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add the degree symbol in Canva in two super easy ways. Let's start with the fastest method, keyboard shortcuts. If you're on a Windows PC, simply hold down the Alt key and type 0176 on your numeric keypad. As soon as you release Alt, the degree symbol will appear. For Mac users, it's even simpler. Just press Shift plus Option plus 8 and boom, you've got the degree symbol right in your text box. This is perfect when you're adding something like 36 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit directly into your Canva design without needing any extra tools. But if you want a bit more control, especially for equations, chemistry designs, or anything math related, you can use Canva's Equations app. Here's how. Go to the Apps tab on the left panel, then search for Equations. Open it, and you'll see a box where you can type formulas. Now, type your number followed by the degree symbol using the correct format, for example, 36 degrees. And Canva will automatically render it perfectly. You can even explore the advanced or chemistry options inside the Equations app if you're working on academic or scientific visuals. And that's it. You now know two simple ways to add a degree symbol in Canva, whether you want a quick shortcut or a more professional looking equation. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and check out my other Canva tips to level up your design skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.